Hello guys, welcome to Machines Tech Channel. Today we will explore the world of brave lumberjacks and their highly skilled work. Get ready to witness professional wood cutting techniques and learn valuable safety tips. Let's get started. Oh my god, it's dangerous to log in winter, especially when snow is everywhere and you can't see the road. It's very dangerous to cut down trees because snow will fall and you can't see the road. Oh my god, what confidence do they have to do this dangerous job? He cut the tree very professionally. Seeing the tree fall down sounded like thunder, so pleasing to the ears. Cutting down a tree near the house is very dangerous for the house. It requires a professional worker, must carefully calculate the length of the tree so that the tree is in the right direction and does not fall on the house. And he did a very good job. Oh, the tree has rotted all over the outside, causing difficulties for the lumberjack. For trees that have been eaten by insects for a long time, they need to be carefully removed to avoid causing danger to the surrounding area. Alluring beauty combined with powerful work gives a unique charm, is definitely one of the biggest dangers out there. It serves as a reminder to not only pay attention to the branches and treetops, but also other potential dangers. Look at these two guys trying to figure out how to take down the giant tree. Guess how long it took to take down the tree? He coordinated well and finally took it down in a short time. He can knock down 2 big trees at once. He is really professional. I never realized how fragile the balance of nature is. One tree falls, and the whole forest feels the impact. The way he sawed the big tree, and then used a hammer to put it out onto the road, shows that he's a very strong person who can saw the big tree into small pieces. The crack as the tree began to explode gave me goosebumps. It sounded like thunder echoing everywhere. Difficult cutting position and dangerous cutting line. It was thrilling to watch him do the job till the last moment. Perfection is essential when doing this job. Judging the weight, size, and height of the tree made the job easy and safe. I wonder how can we wrestle with these giants? This video will answer that question for you, like a battle between man and nature, a small man and his giant friend. Luckily, he defeated this monster. I wonder how we can wrestle with these giant monsters. Sometimes not everything goes according to plan. You just have to accept it and fix it. It is truly satisfying to witness the felling of a large tree. They are so large that it's difficult to know exactly where to start. To ensure safety, it requires skill and knowledge to do it properly. The extraordinary warrior with truly amazing superior skills, he cut down a large, long-lived tree in front of his house and hit it in the right direction without it falling on the house. The sound of the tree falling sounded like thunder. Killing two birds with one stone looks easy, but I know it's a very difficult job. This guy knows what he's doing, knows how to wedge in the right place, swings the hammer hard a few times, and that giant is going down exactly where he aimed, expert level. It is an amazing feat to cut down a giant tree that has lived for many years. It is not a small task. Can you guess how long it took him to cut down this huge tree? Leave a comment below and watch the video with us. Precision and control is next level, perfect to avoid any rolling or bouncing. This is truly a masterclass in tree felling. This is a perfect example of why tree felling requires professional planning. Everything happens so fast. Beautiful work of chainsaw. Calm down. I advise tree fellers to follow the rules of tree felling. He is a true professional when he dares to conquer a giant monster and take it down easily and professionally. That loud crack sounds like the tree telling its last story before resting. Cutting down a huge tree near the house requires a highly skilled and experienced worker to handle the tree without it falling on the house.
Felling could be so efficient and beautiful. This two-in-one method takes tree felling to the next level. That guy is a little tool with big power. Every successful tree felling job starts with a solid plan, and he does his job well.
Cutting a pine tree with a chainsaw is both an art and a science. I can't believe they cut down such a huge tree with just a tiny saw. He tried every way to cut the tree into pieces, using a hammer to make it release, then using a saw to cut the remaining parts. Finally, he brought it down. Protective gear is essential when working. I admire the skill and strength it takes to be a lumberjack, but it is incredibly difficult and dangerous work. Hats off to those brave and tough enough to keep the lumber moving. This is the nature of forestry. The combination of skill, luck, and safety is the only thing that really matters. A warrior in the green forest is fighting a giant. Cutting down a giant tree is not as easy as you think. It requires the logger to have knowledge. This skill must be honed and performed with high precision because even a small mistake can lead to unforeseen consequences. There is a real art to felling trees that is more than just brute force. It is about understanding the wood grain, the wind, and the terrain. The logger's cuts are like the strokes of an artist creating his masterpiece.
Dawaj, dawaj!
Enjoy the show, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more interesting content. See you next time. Bye, guys.